In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a OneNote notebook, OneNote section, and OneNote page. OneNote makes it easy to share your notes or create backups by exporting your work. You can export an entire notebook, a single section, or even just a page, depending on what you need. Let's explore how to do this step by step. First, open your Microsoft OneNote application and navigate to the notebook, section, or page you want to export. Make sure everything is fully loaded, especially if you have multiple pages, to ensure that all content is included in the export. To export a full notebook, go to the File menu located in the top left corner of OneNote. Click on File, then choose Export from the menu. Here you'll see options for what you want to export: notebook, section, or page. Select Notebook if you want to export the entire notebook, including all its sections and pages. Next, choose the file format. You can save it as a OneNote package file, PDF, or other supported formats depending on your needs. Once you select your format, click Export. Then choose the folder where you want to save the file on your computer. To export a single section, follow the same steps. In the Export menu, select Section instead of Notebook. This will export only the specific section you're viewing. Again, choose the preferred format, click Export, and save it to your desired location. If you just want to export a single page, select Page in the Export options. You can export the page as a PDF, OneNote file, or other available formats. This is useful when you only need to share or back up specific content without exporting an entire notebook or section. After selecting the format, click Export. Choose the save location, and OneNote will generate the file. And that's it. Whether it's a full notebook, a section, or a single page, exporting in OneNote is straightforward and helps you share your notes, create backups, or move content between devices. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.